Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to use Find My Device on Google. So if you are facing you couldn't find your device, maybe you put it somewhere but you forgot it, or maybe your dog or your cat took it to somewhere else. Here you can find your device using your laptop or using your computer. So open Google and then find my device. Make sure you already log on to the Chrome, that already log onto your account, that the same account with your phone. I repeat, the same account with your phone. After that, you can click this find my device, and then here you can see this is my device. It's Redmi Note 10 Pro, and then you can see this is my location. I'm from Indonesia, and then this is the quite accurate location of Google. So also you can click play sound to find your device accurately on your house, or you can secure your device if you think your phone already robbed by someone, and then or you can erase the device. Only those three options that are available right now, but maybe someday you can texting using your device. I don't know, but this is the feature of Find My Device. Okay, that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. If you think this content is really helpful for you, you can put thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.